Hey guys, it's Michael from Your Performance Hive. Today in the workshop we got this Porsche Boxster, the lighter, more agile, more affordable 911. It's late 2005 model from the 987 generation. Timeless Porsche design, a naturally aspirated flat six, a great sound and that mid-engine balance. This Boxster has 118,000 miles and today's job is replacing the Tiptronic multifunction switch for the gearbox. A very common issue for 987s with this many miles. In order to access the actual switch, we need to remove the gearbox mount and then we need to remove these two braces. The cover underneath, we need to support the gearbox and change the switch. We don't even need to remove it, just... It's always fun to figure out a plug. Why did they put it there? That's kind of stuck in there. The whole thing is twisting. The actual nut that holds the whole mount for the gearbox is so tight and rusty, whenever I try to undo it, it just twists. We have to figure out a way to get this out of there, I think outside of the box. Maybe just needs a hammer. Nah, it doesn't need a hammer. Not a good design, Porsche. Not a good design. That's the actual switch. It's gonna be trouble to remove from what I can see now. The other option would be an absolute nightmare to remove the whole subframe. This is so stuck. So what I've done is just removed it from the actual gearbox and then I lowered the gearbox a little bit down so I can have these exposed and there's enough space for this to move out and replace it with a new one. Definitely dodged the bullet. I'm so happy. What? This is going bad. It wants to spin over. Yeah, that's what happened. The bolt that holds the switch got stripped. That's bad. That's really bad. Rust does not forgive anyone or anything. This is a multi-splint. We're gonna try and whack this in and hopefully it will grip enough to undo the bolt and then we're just gonna change the bolt. Nah. Right. This didn't work, but we still have options. It's supposed to be literally half an hour job, not even half an hour. But obviously it's not gonna be a half an hour job. What can we do? It's the life that I chose. Definitely winning for now. Whew, what a challenge. Definitely doesn't look like a Porsche part number. In my opinion, that's why it didn't last so long. Probably that's going to be the case with this one, but I did warn the customer, so it's entirely his choice. The difference in price is quite a bit. There we go. All right, now we need to cut a bolt. Done. That's it guys, it didn't go as smooth as I would have liked, but that's more often the case than not. I think we need to get it off the ramp as soon as so we can get on with the next project. A BMW X4 with an airbag issue.